In this video, I will show you how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and create a new folder for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm going to call this one test, just like so. Now, to go ahead and password protect this folder, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box and just go ahead and type store. What you want to do now is open up Microsoft Store so you can see that showing up underneath Best Match. And once you've done that, come up to the top once the store's opened, and in the search box you want to type the following, which is secure folder. And once you've typed secure folder, you should see something come up like this. And now the app we're looking for has got this logo here. So you can see it's got a green background with a key. So you want to go ahead, give that a click. And the app itself is called Secure Folder Files and Encrypt. So what you want to do is come across to the app page and then go ahead and click the blue get button. And what that's going to do is download and install this onto your PC. So this is the app that we're actually going to use to password protect a folder. So what you want to do is just give it a minute or two to download. And once that's finished downloading, as you can see, we're going to get this blue open button. So just give that a click to open this app up. And what you want to do first, it's going to come up with a window like this, where you can go ahead and set the password that you want to use for your folder. Once you've entered that, come down and click OK at the bottom. And what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Before you continue, you do need to add a recovery email. So what you want to do is click the Setup Now button and just set your recovery email, just in case you do lose access or forget your password or anything like that. And once you've gone ahead and added a recovery email, you are now good to go. So what you want to do from the home screen, you're going to see an option here which says Add New Folder. If you actually go ahead, give that a click, it's going to open up your File Explorer. Now what we can do is use this to locate the folder that we want to password protect. So I'm going to come across this menu on the left hand side, click onto desktop, and you can see our test folder here that we created earlier on. Now what I'm going to do is select this and then come down and click onto the Select Folder button. And that's going to go ahead and add this folder to the app. Now if I go ahead and minimize this just so you can see what happens, you can see the folder is currently showing up on our desktop. So what you want to do first is actually select the folder in the app just by clicking onto it. You can see it's selected because we get this kind of little line to the left hand side. And once you've done that, come up to the top and you're going to see this padlock with a red sort of lock. So go ahead, give that a click. What that's going to do is load up a screen like this, and it's going to go ahead and start locking our folder. Now it does also hide this from the desktop. As you can see, it has disappeared. And what we can then do if we want to access that folder is open this app back up and come up to the green padlock, and if you go ahead, give that a click. Of course, make sure you have selected the folder, make sure you got this line showing up, and give it a click, and then come and click onto the green padlock. What it's going to do is just going to take a few seconds to add this back to our desktop. As you can see, it's here, so we can now access that folder and of course use it for whatever we need to. And once we're done with everything, just come back into the app, press the red padlock button. Of course, make sure to select it first and then press the red padlock button, and it's going to go ahead and relock and hide the app from the desktop. So that is how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.